Do you ever wonder why you sometimes feel unmotivated when you try to study? Well, maybe it's not just you that is disorganized, but also your table space. You see, when we try to work on a messy area, our brain also gets distracted from trying to focus on an important task. So let's try and fix that. First, let's remove everything that we don't need outside of our table. Second, let's move everything that we do need into their proper places so that we can focus on what we want to do. And finally, the last thing that we need to do is to open up a bright light source so that we can be more awake and attentive on the thing that we want to do. After doing all three steps, our table looks much more organized and neat compared to what it looked like before. And so, as a reminder, when you feel like you can't focus on an important task, try to listen what's on your plate, or rather, what's on your table. That's all for me today. Thank you for watching.